Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Julie and we like to talk about handbags here on this channel, and I do some reviews. And if you're not new and you're returning, thank you so much for joining me again. So today I am doing a collaboration with a fantastic French company by the name of Basile. Basile is a company that is based out of Paris, and they make beautiful handbags that are made in Italy. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the company and share with you the bag that they did send to me. This is actually just a first impression. It is a bag that I've filmed this already once and I have it unboxed, you guys. So it didn't actually film. So this is gonna be take two, but I wanted to reveal it to you and show you the beautiful bag that they did send to me and the other couple items. So just a little bit about the company. Basile is a company that has been recently founded, and it's a beautiful company by the name of Maxime and Matilda. They had a vision to make beautiful bags for the everyday person who loves to travel. They have a passion for Italy themselves, and that's why they have such a strong tie to Italy and to have these bags made in Italy. They absolutely adore Florence and Tuscany, and a lot of their designs really just are very minimal and very stunningly gorgeous. The dyes that are used in these bags are very pigmented. The colors are so vivid. I'm gonna put their website down below. You guys, they have so many beautiful silhouettes and styles. One of their main bags that they did come out with at the beginning was called the Apollon bag, and it is a larger flat bag with a beautiful gold hardware on the front. I'll feature that bag. I'll show it to you here in a photo. The bag that I did select is called the Petite Apollon bag, and it is a smaller version of that bag. That's kind of their trademark with the top handle. So I'm going to show it to you here in just a moment. I want to show you the packaging that they offer. You guys, it is beautiful. When I opened this, I was like, wow, this is so pretty. So by the way, their shipping is fast. Okay, it came to me, they sent me the fact that it was just shipped from France, and like 3 days later, no kidding, DHL is here. And I didn't even have to sign for it. I signed the waiver and it was dropped off at my doorstep. So that was fast. Here's the box it came in. It is a nice box. It has this saying in French. It says Basile on it. And it does remind me, you guys, if you have ever bought from 24S, that packaging. That's what this is like. So inside is the bag. It's in the dust bag. An item that was sent to me also that is a free offering to you, and I'm going to talk to you at the end of this video about how you can get this item for free. This is a beautiful small leather good that is a very nice just little catch-all for your handbag, and it's made out of the smooth leather that is so buttery, soft, smooth. It's gorgeous, and it has a zipper pull that says Basile on it. And it's a beautiful zipper, glides very smoothly. It has 2 credit card slots on the inside and a textile lining. This is just great. This can be a wallet. This could be, I mean, anything you want to make of it. You can put makeup inside of it. You can put pens, papers, anything, receipts. A great, nice, functional, small leather good. It is called the Pochette, and this is the color Bordeaux that I got it in. So yes, this was also sent. And now I want to show you the handbag that I did choose. So we'll go ahead and pull it out of the box, and I will show you this bag. It comes in this nice linen dust bag. And we open her up to reveal this beautiful, the Le Petit Apollon bag. And I chose the color Blue Canard. And at first, I thought that this bag would be a little bit more blue. I am not gonna lie, it actually is a little bit more on the turquoise realm, which works still for me because I think it goes very well with my coloring, actually. This is so pretty. The scarf that was also sent to me goes with it perfectly. So you can tie it onto the top handle of this bag, and it's so pretty. Let me show you the scarf actually, because it's very gorgeous. It's a beautiful silk. You can wear this, you know, around your neck, in your hair, however you wish, around your wrist. Isn't that beautiful? Just all the pops of the pinks and the purples and turquoise. I'm gonna leave that off the bag while I show you a little bit around this bag. So this one is gorgeous. It has beautiful touches of gold hardware. So it's got this locking mechanism on the front. Here's the side, and then here's the back. There's not a pocket on the back. And then here's this side. The bottom has no feet. It does have sections though, so it's kind of made to where it can stand up on a table and not necessarily have to have feet. As far as the leather goes, it is a smooth leather, very, very soft to the touch, very buttery. It's made out of that Italian leather. The way to get in is so easy. It just snaps closed like that, and it has that opening there that you just line up there, and it just lines up very easily. So right down here on the inside it says Basile, and then down here you have the branding of the company. When you open it, it's not super stiff, which is really nice. And then you've got inner suede lining. It says Basile Paris, Fabrique en Italie, so made in Italy. And it comes with the strap here, a very nice thick, about 1.5 inches thick strap, and 2 big sections, one in the back, one in the front, and then you have a middle zipper compartment. The zipper says Basile on it, and yeah, I am just so excited. I think this bag offers quite a little bit more space than my other bags that I have shown on my channel that are like this style. I think that this is gonna be just enough to fit my things in it. I do like larger bags, and I was kind of considering getting the regular Apollon bag, but I couldn't resist the top handle, because with the top handle, it's just easy to grab it out of your seat and put it, you know, across your body with this fantastic crossbody strap. So let me show you what it looks like with the crossbody strap real fast. The hardware really does feel pretty good, and there's adjustments, and it has a regular buckle for the adjuster, which I think I can appreciate that a little bit more compared to the other ones that have like those push stud adjustment ones. So this is just so nice. I'm gonna try it on, and I'm gonna pretty much intently wear this as a crossbody. This is really, really nice. Just a great crossbody bag. You can just open it up like so, and then you're inside your bag like that. So when I start to use this, I will do a what fits inside of this bag and do like just more of a detailed review on it. So yeah, as far as all the glazing done, it's done super, super well. The stitching is so nice. And then here's the small leather good. And I'll show you, it can just be popped in very simply. It would fit in this bag just like that. So that works. But yes, I'm gonna pop the price in USD for the Le Petit Apollon. Again, I will put their website in the description box below. And then if you wish to receive this small leather good free with your purchase, you just have to put this in the shopping cart, okay? You put it in your cart after you pick it out, whatever color you want. And then you put in the promo code, and my promo code is my name, Julie, Julie. I'll put that right down below, and I'll put it down in the description. So that way you can take advantage of getting one of these for free with your handbag purchase. It's fantastic. So, and this is gorgeous. Like just the feeling, all of their leather feels really super nice. I hope that this leather doesn't scratch too easily. So that's why I do want to use this bag and kind of give you all those details about, you know, how the leather is gonna hold up just with everyday use. But I really find that this is so pretty. I think I'm gonna tie this twilly to the bag again because it is just a moment. Like I love twillies on bags. It's so pretty. Definitely dig this color. It's so pretty paired up with the Bordeaux, I think. So check out all the other bag styles that they have. They have a bucket bag, I think. They have the larger version of this. They also have like a nice little two-handle tote that's a crossbody. That's really super cute. So, but yeah, definitely check out this French brand called Basile. It was definitely, I had not heard of it at all until they reached out to me. And then I was like researching them on YouTube, and I'm just really enjoying, you know, promoting some of these smaller companies here in the States, because you know, we just don't get exposed to so much. So yes, definitely check them out. I think that this shiny hardware is beautiful on this bag. So, all right guys, thank you so much for joining, and let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you, Basile, for sending me the bag, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.